What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing the first two mods on the 2023 Subaru WRX on the channel car. Got hair all over the car. No, go away. Okay. It's nothing too exciting. I'm excited about it. You might not be excited about it, but it is. Hold on, let me turn it around. It is the JDMuscle Duckbill for the trunk, and the JDMuscle license plate, because I didn't know I was going to get that, and it's cool, so we're going to throw it on there today too. I went with the JDMuscle Duckbill. It's the ABS plastic one. It's not painted. It was like a clearance sale thing, so it's not perfect. It's not perfect. As a matter of fact, this little weird seam right along the edge, if you can see it, yeah, right through there, it's not perfect, but it was only $109, so I'm not really complaining. I'm not upset. This is a temporary solution. Like I said in the last video, you know, I said I wanted some sort of wing. I don't know if I want the STI wing or the GT style wing from AFD. I'm not sure which one I want, you know, and those are pretty expensive, and I don't necessarily want to drill into a trunk that's only a month and a half old. So we went this route for now. Hopefully by the end of the year I'll have one of those. But yeah, I'm excited. I think it's going to really make the back end of the car look a lot more aggressive. And I didn't plan on it, but the ABS matches all of the ugly black plastic on the car, so it'll at least match, right? So let's get into it. I have already cleaned and wiped down the trunk with some isopropyl alcohol, and I have already cleaned and wiped down the inside of the spoiler with the isopropyl alcohol. Only thing left there is to really do is mock up the fitment. I'm going to mask it off with masking tape so I can line it back up the way that I like it, the way I want it on there. And then we will tape it and then stick it. So should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I don't think I'm going to mess it up, but you know, I guess there's always the possibility of it, right? So let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so what I'm doing is I am making sure that there is equal space on both sides. Probably about right that, like that. It's in where I want it to be. Let's see. What was it, like half a width? I got fat fingers, so yeah, that's about it. And then I'm going to take this masking tape. I want to mask off the edges right here on both sides. Then I want to mask off all the way around the front to make sure that when I put it like on, I line this up and the two edges. Smarter, not harder, okay? You don't want to get the 3M stuff on there and then go to press it down or it stick immediately and then it's crooked, right? That would just suck. So I'm trying to play this perfect, so I only have to do it one time and I don't have to pull it off or fix nothing. All right, so just like that, I have my edges lined up, masked off, so I know pretty much exactly where perfect placement will be when it's time to stick. Only thing left to do, put the double-sided tape on and stick her down. Oh, also, in case you order this one, I don't think a lot of people will because it's not a popular option. But in case you do, they didn't send any 3M tape with it, which I thought was funny because all the other, like the other spoilers and stuff I've bought, have all come with their own 3M tape. So I'm using the Scotch Mount. Let's see. It is Scotch Mount double-sided mounting tape, indoor, extreme, outdoor, and it will hold up to 30 pounds of force. So I'm not using any Primer 94, any adhesive promoter, just the tape. So hopefully, since the fitment on the spoiler is good and it's molded to the trunk very nicely, that'll be all that's required. It does come with screws or like screw holes to mount it with. If you already have the factory spoiler on your car, you can just drill right through those. and mount it up. Or I guess if you really wanted to drill into your trunk for this, you could, but I really don't think it's necessary. That's the whole point of me getting this one, so I don't drill in the trunk right now, right? So it would kind of be dumb if I went ahead and did that. So hopefully the double-sided tape will be more than enough to hold it on, and I think it will be. A lot of the spoilers you get on cars from factory are just double-sided tape, so we'll see. I'll tape it up and show you that. All right, guys, so this is what we ended up with. I think that is going to be more than enough to hold this bad boy on there. So gonna pull off the backing and stick her down. Let's do it. Oh, it's hot. I'm sweating. Oh wait, let me couldn't find my X-Acto knife, so the old pocket knife it is. Let me trim this glue back, or this tape right there, because I really don't want anything rolling out the sides of it, you know. It's sticky though, I'll tell you that much. I know you're like, Tyler, you're cutting your plastic spoiler. Well, that'll be okay, guys. It's plastic. And temporary, like I keep reiterating. Trim this section up right here. I just don't want any sticking out the sides. I don't know if it will. I don't want any sticking out the sides and then like road grime and dirt and debris and stuff get underneath there. Gosh, it's hot. I'm sweating. Horrible. Are you still recording? Okay. Cool. All right. Let's pull. Get it. I ain't got no fingernails. There we go. Pull these off. We're not going to litter because we are in a public space. Not that I'd litter at my own house, but there's that one. That's going to come off. Hold on. Try this side. Come on. Oh. It's being can. All right, so we got her on there, guys. Got her on there, and I didn't do half bad. Phone overheated, so you didn't get to watch the installation. I think the most you got to see was me pulling the tape off, but there she is. Still need to wipe it down clean and then pull the masking tape off the car, but lined it up pretty good. Not too unhappy with it. I'm a perfectionist, so you know, if I stare at it too long, I'm sure I'll find something that I don't like. But yeah, now for the license plate cover surrounding thing, and we're done. All right, guys. Well, there we have it. There's the finished product. I think it looks pretty dang awesome. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, boy. Guys, if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe. Hit the little notification bell so you always get notifications when we do these little uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.